Welcome to the MS-900 Microsoft 365 Fundamentals Practice Test 1. Please note this video is for educational purposes only. The practice questions are not affiliated with or endorsed by Microsoft and do not reflect actual exam content. Always use official Microsoft resources as your primary study materials. Question 1 asks, which cloud deployment model is best for a low-cost, on-demand sandbox environment when all workloads are currently on premises? Options are A. Public cloud, B. Private cloud, C. Hybrid cloud. The correct option is A. Public cloud. Public cloud services provide on-demand resources using a pay-as-you-go model, minimizing costs for temporary sandbox environments. Private cloud requires purchasing hardware, and hybrid cloud is not the most cost-effective for simple testing. Question 2. Which statements are true about Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise? Options include deployment via Configuration Manager or Intune, 1 terabyte OneDrive storage per user, and real-time co-authoring support. Pick the best fit. The correct answer is E, all of the above. Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise supports deployment via Configuration Manager and Intune, includes 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage, and allows for real-time co-authoring. Question 3. An organization needs a subscription-based office solution where application settings can be managed using group policy. Which product should be deployed? The correct answer is A. Microsoft 365 Apps for Enterprise, as it is subscription-based and supports group policy. Office 2019 is a perpetual license, and Office Online is web-only without group policy support. Question 4. You want all users to receive Microsoft 365 updates only after they are released broadly to customers. What should you configure? The correct answer is A. Use the standard release channel. Standard release ensures updates are fully tested and released to all customers before users receive them. Question 5. An organization needs to prevent corporate data from being saved locally to personal mobile devices while still allowing users to access company apps. Which solution should be used? The correct answer is C. Intune app protection policies. These policies control how corporate data is accessed and shared within applications, preventing local saving or sharing outside approved apps. Question 6. An organization plans to move its on-premises email to the cloud to reduce maintenance, with Microsoft managing updates and availability. Which cloud service model best meets these requirements? The correct answer is E. Software as a Service or SaaS. Exchange Online is a SaaS solution where Microsoft manages all infrastructure, updates, and availability. Question 7. An organization wants to customize the out-of-box experience for new Windows devices and automatically deploy corporate applications upon user sign-in. Which solution should be used? The correct answer is B. Windows Autopilot. Autopilot pre-configures devices and automatically applies settings and applications during the initial user sign-in. Question 8. An organization needs Microsoft 365 feature updates to be tested by IT before being rolled out to all users. What configuration should be implemented? The correct answer is A. Assign standard release to users and targeted release to IT staff. This allows IT to test features early while general users receive fully vetted updates. Question 9. You need to present data showing how employees are using Microsoft 365 services across the organization. Which tool provides this information? The correct answer is A. Microsoft 365 Usage Analytics. This tool offers insights into user adoption and integrates with Power BI to visualize usage trends. Question 10. An organization wants to require a PIN every time a user opens Outlook on a mobile device. Which Intune policy should be configured? The correct answer is the app protection policy. These policies enforce a PIN for authentication before accessing corporate data within mobile applications like Outlook. Question 11. An organization needs to ensure Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise is installed on every user's computer. Which installation methods can be used? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise supports deployment via Configuration Manager, the Office deployment tool, or allowing users to self-install from the Microsoft 365 portal. Question 12. Its staff must test Microsoft 365 apps feature updates for security and compatibility before rolling them out to all users. Which release option should be assigned to IT users? The correct answer is A, targeted release. This option provides selected users like IT staff with early access to updates for testing prior to organization-wide release. Question 13. An organization wants to deploy Microsoft Office using a subscription-based licensing model. Which option meets this requirement? The correct answer is D, all of the above. Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise, Microsoft 365 business plans, and Office Online are all part of Microsoft's subscription-based ecosystem. Question 14. An organization is migrating workloads to Azure but cannot configure a VPN or express route. Which workloads can be migrated without network connectivity to on-premises resources? The correct answer is D, A, and B only. External facing websites and SharePoint sites used for external collaboration. Workloads like the internal HR application, which depend on an on-premises database, cannot be migrated without connectivity. Question 15. An executive's device license for Microsoft 365 apps for enterprise is deactivated. What functionality remains on the deactivated device? The correct answer is B, view and print documents. When a device license is deactivated, the apps enter reduced functionality mode, disabling editing but allowing viewing and printing. Question 16. An organization wants all users to receive Microsoft 365 feature updates as soon as they become available. Which release option should be configured? The correct answer is B, targeted release. This option grants early access to new features and updates before general availability. Question 17. An organization needs desktop versions of Outlook, Word, and Excel, plus Exchange Online at the lowest possible cost. Which plan best meets this requirement? The correct answer is B, Microsoft 365 Business Standard. This plan includes both desktop Office apps and Exchange Online at a lower cost than Premium. Question 18. An organization wants to deploy virtual machines while continuing to use proprietary on-premises hardware and minimizing costs. Which cloud model should be used? The correct answer is C, hybrid cloud. This allows organizations to leverage proprietary on-premises hardware while utilizing the public cloud for scalable workloads, balancing cost and control. Question 19. How does SharePoint allow users to share content with people outside the organization? The correct answer is B, sending sharing invitations via email. External sharing in SharePoint is achieved by sending email invitations with access links to external users. Question 20. Which components are considered infrastructure as a service or IaaS? Choose two options from servers, storage, operating systems, and development tools. The correct answers are A, servers, and B, storage. IaaS provides foundational infrastructure components like compute or servers and storage. Operating systems are customer managed, and development tools are part of PaaS. And that's it for this MS-900 practice test. Thanks for watching all the way through. More mock tests and updated MS-900 questions are coming soon. Drop a comment below with your score or the question you found the hardest, and I'll make sure to cover it in an upcoming video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay updated. See you next time.